Welcome back. 2011 Duramax. We got thermostats to change. We got a bolt right there, 13 millimeter to remove. And there's another one holding the shroud on. Squeeze the clamp with a big pair of pliers and you can pull your radiator hose out of the way. It will leak some fluid, not a whole lot. We have two 13 millimeter bolts down over here. You take those out, this will flop out of your way. There is a sensor down over here, or a little vacuum canister that's clipped in. Pull that up, it'll pop out. Move that back. Now you have the bolts that you need to get to. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one should stay in the housing. You don't have to do anything with that one over there. Let's get all 4 of those out right now. Got a 12 millimeter with a long extension. We got a wobble on this extension, makes it a little bit easier to get down to get these 2 front bolts, because you have that AC line that kind of runs by in the way. So loosen those up. We got our bolts out. We used a little magnet tool to pick them up. It's going to take some wiggling to get it off. It'll be stuck. There we go. There's a little plastic stud sticking out from the shroud that's kind of stuck over here. There is barely enough room to wiggle this thing out. Came out with a little wiggling. One thermostat was stuck in, the other one's still stuck in the manifold over there. You can just pop it out with a pair of pliers. Here's the part number. The gaskets are on the new thermostats, and you could just drop them in place. There you go. Off with the old. Make sure this is clean. And now wiggle your thermostat housing back in place. Let me see if I can do this at one hand. And tighten up your bolts. The torque spec is 18 foot-pounds. Yeah, perfect. I'll snap that canister back in place. And put back this, the 2 13 millimeter bolts. Put our bolts back in over here, all finger tight. This is probably the hardest one to get to, this bottom one on this. And tighten everything else up. And install your hose. This is the hardest part, fighting with this stupid clamp. You are all done. Top up your coolant and you're on your way. If you like this video, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.